BattMech welcomes you to our instructional video series. This video is for the BCM replacement on a 2013 to 2018 Ford C-Max and Fusion Energi all-electric models. Need more parts than just the BCM? Most of the components featured in this repair video are available now at www.battmech.com. This video is intended for trained individuals who understand the hazards associated with working on high-voltage systems. Improper repairs can result in property damage, serious injury, or death. Always follow proper safety procedures and perform repairs at your own risk. We recommend wearing high-voltage insulating gloves when performing these repairs. Always use leather protector gloves over the high-voltage gloves. Some repair steps involve increased high-voltage risk, so use extra caution and wear your gloves whenever there is any doubt about your safety. Here's a look at the personal protective equipment, or PPE, we recommend while making this type of repair. Your shop may have different protocols to keep you safe. It's always best to follow your shop's safety protocol. Here's a look at the tools we use to make this type of repair. We recommend using insulated tools whenever possible. To streamline our series, this video begins after the removal of the battery from the vehicle. We recommend using a non-conductive surface to work on. Let's get started. First, you'll begin by removing the metal panels that protect the electrical components. Next, unhook these multi-pin connectors that connect to the battery control module, which at times may be called the BCM. It may be a good idea to label the connectors and the places where they plugged into the BCM. Now that your battery's BCM is completely removed from the battery, you can begin preparing to reassemble the battery. Carefully unpack your BattMech replacement OEM battery control module. At BattMech, our goal is to provide reliable battery solutions that help extend the life of hybrid and electric vehicles while making the repair process more straightforward. If you need additional modules, replacement parts, complete refurbished battery packs, or brand new aftermarket batteries, you'll find them along with additional instructional content at battmech.com. Now that your replacement BCM is ready to install, you'll insert the battery control module into the place you took the old unit out from. Then you'll connect the multi-pin connectors to the replacement BCM. Next, you'll reinstall the black metal panel. And finally, you'll reinstall the other metal panel to the battery. Your battery rebuild is now complete. You can now reinstall the battery back into the vehicle. We hope you found this battery repair video informative and useful. For fully refurbished battery blocks and the parts needed to complete your rebuild, visit battmech.com. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful rebuild.